Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on BMO Bank Online Banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for BMO Bank. Click on this first website over here, and on the top right corner, we can see this option called sign in. So let's tap on this and click on sign in to online banking over here. Now we need to enter our card number, which is of 16 digits. And since we do not know the password, click on forget your password over here. Now enter your card number and enter your phone number as well. And once you are done, simply click on continue. After this, the verification of your card number will be done and you'll get a code in your phone number. And after that, you can finally reset the password of BMO Bank Online Banking. So that is all we can do to reset BMO Bank Online Banking password. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.